Unwrapping the phrase, take one. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the phrase, take one. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings, how to use it in conversations, and its significance in various contexts. When we break down the words, take one sounds quite simple. It literally means to select or pick up one item from a group. Imagine you're at a party and there's a bowl of candies. If someone says, take one, they're instructing you to pick up just one candy. Interestingly, take one has a completely different meaning in the film industry. Here, it refers to the first attempt to record a scene. When shooting a movie, multiple takes are often needed to get a scene just right. The director might shout, take one, and then, take two, for the second attempt, and so on. Sometimes, people use take one in a more figurative or metaphorical sense. For instance, if someone is facing challenges and decides to approach them one at a time, they might say, I'll take one challenge at a time. Here, take one suggests addressing individual tasks or problems sequentially. A common mistake is confusing take one with take on. While take one generally refers to selecting one item or attempting something for the first time, take on means to begin to deal with or tackle something, like taking on a new responsibility. And there you have it. The phrase, take one, might sound simple, but its versatile usage in English makes it an interesting one to learn. Whether you're picking a candy, watching a movie behind the scenes, or tackling life's challenges, this phrase can pop up in various contexts. We hope this video helps you understand and use take one with confidence. Happy learning!